Good morning, students. So, today we will start new chapter, that is Selfish Giant, from It So Happened. Actually, this is a story of a giant who is very selfish, who didn't allow the children to play in his garden. But we will see in the story how his mind was changed. Children in Giant's Garden. Children used to play in Giant's garden every afternoon. But just now I say he is selfish, he is not allowing the child to play in his garden. This time the giant was not there, he has gone to his friend. So his garden and house was empty and the children used to play. They did so while coming from school. It was a lovely large garden. It had soft grass. There were fruit trees in it. They bore rich fruits. The birds sang sweetly. The children were happy to play in it. So, the children play in the giant's garden. They love to play there because it is all lovely garden with soft grass, and even the fruits are there. They eat the fruits, they play, the birds sing. But what happened? One day the giant came back after 7 years. He had stayed with his friend the Cornish Orge. He saw the children playing in his garden. The children ran away as they saw him. So, after few years, 7 years, the giant came back and he saw that the children were playing in the garden. But while seeing the giant, the children ran away because they know that the giant didn't like the children to play in his garden. He said that it was his own garden. He would not allow anyone to play there. He built a wall around. So what he said, that this garden belongs to him and he will not allow anyone to play in it. So what he did, he just make a long wall, boundary wall around his garden so that the student cannot come inside the garden and play. And even he put a notice board, and on in the notice board he write that trespassers will be prosecuted, means anybody is not allowed in his garden. So the children had no other place to play. They used to wander around the high walls. They used to talk about the beautiful garden inside. So when the wall was made, the children were not allowed to come inside. They were very sad because they are not having any other place to play. And they usually talk about the beautiful garden inside, कि कैसे हम अंदर खेलते थे, all this thing. The spring came. There was blossom and little birds. But it was winter in the giant's garden. The birds didn't sing as there was no children. Once a beautiful flower came out of the grass, but it saw the notice board. He went back to sleep. In the giant's garden there were the snow and the frost. Everything in it looked white. Then came the north wind. It stayed with them. The hail also came. So what happened? The time passes and the spring come. And you know what is spring. And the flower blossom, the little birds sing, but it was winter inside. Why? Because the giant has refused the children to play in the garden. So the nature also thought that in their own way they will punish the giant. So it was winter inside because there was no child. Once what happened, a flower came to bloom outside, but when he saw that no children is there and he saw the notice board, he just go down and sleep. These all indicates that the nature is also angry with the giant. It's not allow the spring to come in the giant's garden. Every where it is snow and frost. That means only the winter season is there. The selfish giant looked at the cold and white garden. The spring didn't come to his garden. There were golden fruits in the autumn, but it didn't come to his garden. The winter, the north wind, the hail, the frost, and the snow danced there. That means neither the spring came nor the autumn came, no fruits were there, only the white snow, winter, hail, cold, north wind was there. One morning the giant heard some lovely music. It was very sweet. He thought that it must be the king's musician, but it was a linnet. She was singing outside his window. The giant found its song very sweet. Then the hail stopped dancing. The north wind stopped. The giant felt that the spring had come. So what happened one day? The giant heard that some music is coming. So he saw that it was the linnet. It is the bird who used to sing very sweetly. And as soon as the bird starts singing, the atmosphere of his garden totally changed. What happened? The hail stopped dancing. Hail means ole. North wind stopped. That means the spring has arrived in the giant's garden. The giant saw the most lovely sight. The children had entered his garden through a little hole. They were sitting in the branches of the tree. The trees were very glad to have them. They have blossomed. So what happened? The giant saw that the children were playing in the garden. Now how the children entered in the garden, as there was the wall? There might be some hole in the wall, and us hole se bacche andar aa gaye the, and they were playing. They were sitting in the branches of the tree, and everywhere the atmosphere were very pleasant. The trees were very happy and they bloomed. The birds were singing about. They were chirping also. The flowers were also looking up. It was a lovely sight, but in one corner there was still summer. So as soon as the children entered in the giant's garden, everything was normal. That means the spring has come in the garden. The flowers are blooming, the birds are singing, trees are happy, and by seeing that the giant was very happy. But one thing happened. In one corner of the garden there was still winter. सब जगह तो स्प्रिंग हो गई थी, बट एक छोटा सा गार्डन था. एट दैट पॉइंट देयर was still winter. Why it was still winter? In that corner a small boy was standing. He could not reach the branches of the tree. He was crying and wandering about. The north wind blew and roared. The tree asked the boy to climb. It bent its branches down, but the boy could not climb. So what happened? In that particular corner, a boy was standing. He wants to climb up the tree, but he can't. He is not able. So for that reason, at that corner there was still winter. The tree asks the boy to climb, but and even he bent his branches, but the boy could not able to climb the tree. Now we will see who will help him. The giant's heart melted at this scene. He said that he was really selfish. He also said that he now understood why the spring didn't come. He could put that little boy on the top of the tree. He would also put down the wall. His garden shall be the children's playground forever. He was sorry for what he had done. So by seeing this scene, giant realized that he was very selfish to the children. He is selfish person, and now he decided that he will break that wall and he will allow all the children to play in the garden. Even he helped that little boy to climb the garden, and he was very sorry. He feels sorry for that. When the children saw the giant, they ran away. The garden became winter again. Only the little boy didn't run. He was weeping. He didn't see the giant coming. The giant put the boy up into the tree. The tree bloomed at once. The little boy kissed the giant. So what happened when the giant was standing there thinking that he is very selfish, now he will allow the children to play in the garden. The children saw the giant and they ran away because of the fear. And as soon as the children ran away from the garden again become like it was. That means the winter came into the garden, but only that boy who was standing in the corner didn't able to run away because he had not seen the giant. But giant come to him and he helped the boy to climb up the tree, and as soon as the boy climbed the tree bloomed and that boy kissed the giant. The other children saw that the giant was not wicked. They came running back. With them came the spring. The giant told the children that it was their garden. He pulled down the wall. People saw the giant playing with the children during the noon. So when the children came back, giant said to the children that this is your garden, you can play here, and he also removed the wall. Now, we can say that this person becomes a very good person. Now, every afternoon the children came and played with the giant. But the giant wanted to see the little boy. The little boy didn't come. Which little boy? He helped to climb the tree. Years went over. The giant grew very weak. He watched the children playing. He used to say that the children were the most beautiful flower. One winter morning, the giant suddenly rubbed his eyes. He saw a very beautiful scene. In the corner, there stood a lovely tree with white blossoms. Its branches were golden. The little boy stood under it. The giant sighed. The little boy was wounded. He had the print of 2 nails on his hands and feet. The giant was very angry. He said that he would slay the man who had wounded him. So what happened? The time passes and this giant grew very old. One winter he was just sitting and there he saw that in particular corner where he met that boy, there was a tree with white flowers and golden branches, and he saw that the one boy was standing over there. And what happened? This boy is having the print of nails, 2 nails on his hand and feet. Now, by seeing that print, the giant was very angry and he wanted to know who had done this, and he asked the little boy. But the boy told the giant that those were the wounds of love. The giant at once asked the boy who he was. A strange fear fell on the giant. The boy smiled. He told the giant to come with him to his garden. His garden was paradise. So what happened? Giant asked, but the boy told that it is a wound of love, and he asked the giant to come to his garden, not the giant garden, to his garden. His garden was a paradise. The children found the giant dead under the tree. He was covered with white blossom. So now you realize who that little boy was. He was Jesus, who had come here to take the giant to his garden, and he took the giant because the giant has done very good work. He helped the children. He helped the children to play in his garden, and it is always said that if you will help children, the God will also help you. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that selfish man cannot make themselves happy until they did a good thing. And God help those who are truly clear from their heart. So, this selfish giant has become a good person. He helped the poor, not poor, the children, and at the end the God had helped that person. Okay, I hope you understand the story and you like this story. So you should not be selfish. Nobody in this world should be selfish. Okay, thank you, student.